9 organizational hacks to stay on top of laundry. How many times have you picked up a pair of jeans or a shirt and wondered if it is clean? Most of us have a habit of trying something on, deciding not to wear it and dropping it on the floor or laying it over a chair. Or we wear a shirt once and decide that maybe it could be worn again and leave it in a spot and then forget whether it is clean or dirty. Shopping wisely is an important step in making laundry easier and reducing the number of laundry loads. Take time to read labels, study garment construction, and select fabrics that will make laundry easier. Both you and your family will benefit from knowing how to correctly do laundry. The best time to start teaching is when kids are toddlers and want to do everything you are doing. A toddler can bring clothes to the laundry room and even begin to sort clothes by colors. We all want everything in life to be easier, including a convenient spot to put dirty laundry. It is much easier to complete a task if the tools are right at hand. Whether you choose to purchase several laundry baskets and add labels or use a sorting hamper, pre-sorting laundry into whites, lights, and colored clothing will cut hours from your weekly laundry routine. It is essential to have a hamper that is labeled "dry clean only." Nothing is worse than a garment getting thrown into the washer and ruined by mistake. Mesh laundry bags that can be tossed in the washer for delicate items and small items like socks and baby clothes will save time and sanity. No more lost socks, having to use sock clips or searching for mates. Simply return the bag of socks to the original wearer. There are apps for everything, so use one to remind you when the washer or dryer cycle is finished or when to pick up dry cleaning. To make folding and returning clean laundry to the proper spot easier, assign each family member or bedroom a specific color of towels and sheets. This laundry hack is particularly helpful when beds are different sizes and matching sheets to the right one bed is difficult. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.